The Switchblade 300 Kamikaze drone or loitering munition made by AeroVironment is a new drone that has been added to America's arsenal. However, according to sources, this suicide drone has been used covertly for years by the U.S. military in targeted killing operations in Afghanistan, Iraq and Syria. The drones are inexpensive at $6,000 each and weighing just 5 pounds, including warhead, can be moved in a backpack and fly at a range of up to 7 miles to hit targets. 300 is designed to kill individuals who can perform image processing on their own, identify the target after matching it with the image stored in it, then autonomous hitting is possible. The killer drone glides too fast to be tracked by the naked eye. The battery-powered robot pops out of its launch tube, spreads its carbon wings and shoots into the sky. This deadly drone is hard to detect on radar, based on facial recognition or other computer magic, hunting down a target it has been programmed to attack. Moments later, an empty